Okay, this is lesson 13, angle sum of a triangle. Pretty short lesson. So our concept development, the angle sum theorem for triangles states that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. And this can be abbreviated by the symbol angle sum of a triangle. So it does not matter what kind of triangle we're talking about, whether it's acute, obtuse, or a right triangle. When you add the measure of all three angles, you will always get the sum of 180 degrees. So here is our concept development. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9, and they are all equal to 180 degrees. And notice that we're talking about the measures of these angles, whatever those measurements are. When you add those three up, they're always going to be 180 degrees. So note that the sum of angles 7 and 9 must equal 90 degrees right here for this right triangle, because we know angle 8 is a 90-degree angle. Alright, so we want to prove that the angle sum of any triangle is 180 degrees. So, to do so, we will use some facts about what we already know about geometry. First of all, that the straight line angle is 180 degrees in measure. We also know that corresponding angles of parallel lines are equal in measure. So corresponding angles, for instance, AB is going to be parallel to CD. We also know that alternate interior angles of parallel lines are equal in measure. So alt angles AB are parallel to CD. So go ahead and try your hand at Exploratory Challenge 1. Answer the questions to the best of your ability, and then continue the video to check your answers. Alright, so we're assuming you are done with Exploratory Challenge 1. Again, you are using all the information that we have developed in the last couple of lessons to help prove the triangle sum theorem. So here are the answers for A, B, C, D, and E. So again, just identifying the angles of triangle ABC. Notice that because we don't have symbols in each of the angles, you have to use the the side, the vertex, and the other side to label the angle. And then what is the straight angle? What kinds of angles are ABC and ECD? But they are corresponding angles. BAC and ECA are alternate interior angles. And then we know that BCD is equal to BCA plus ECA plus ECD. Use the substitution law to show that the three interior angles have a sum of 180 degrees. Well, BCD is equal to BCA plus BAC plus ABC, which is equal to 180 degrees, and that's the angle sum of a triangle. Alright, try Exploratory Challenge 2. Go ahead and answer the questions to the best of your ability, and when you think you've got them answered, go ahead and continue the video to check your answers. Alright, so if you're done with Exploratory Challenge 2, for part A, it says name the triangle in the figure, name the straight angle, and write your proof. So, if the straight angle, angle GFE, is comprised of angles GFB, BFC, and EFC, alternate interior angles of parallel lines are equal in measure. For that reason, angle BCF is equal to EFC, and CBF is equal to GFB. Since GFE is a straight angle and is equal to 180 degrees, then GFE is equal to GFB plus BFC plus EFC, which is 180 degrees. And by substitution, GFE is equal to angle CBF plus BFC plus BCF, and therefore the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, very short lesson, so let's summarize. We know that all triangles have a sum of interior angles that are equal to 180 degrees. And we know that we can prove that a triangle has a sum of interior angles equal to that of a straight angle using what we know about alternate interior angles and corresponding angles of parallel lines. All right, see you in class.